Hello everybody, it's Mike Taffel from History Concierge. This time around in Rome, I decided to stay in a new neighborhood I've never stayed before, the neighborhood of Celio, just to the southeast of the Colosseum. Now right now, I'm sitting on Caelian Hill, which is one of the original 7 hills of ancient Rome. It's right across the street from the Colosseum. Now what I find fascinating about this area is, if you're looking to get away from the crowds and get off the beaten path, you have this entire hill that's filled with parks, villas, ancient Roman ruins, old churches dating back to the 4th century. And you essentially have this whole neighborhood to yourself. It's very beautiful, folks. So if you're looking for a place to get off the beaten path, get away from some of the crowds and tourism, literally, like I said, it's 5 minutes away from the Colosseum. So I want you to join me on this little journey here as I'm going to take a few images here, show you around the neighborhood a little bit. Also, the actual neighborhood of Celio is about a square kilometer, and it's filled with a lot of real cute shops and restaurants and bars and boutiques. It's definitely a must-see, and it's often overlooked because it's on the east side of the Colosseum, and most of the action is in that direction, the Forum, the Trevi Fountain. This is a little off the beaten path, so I want you to join me on this little journey here, folks. The reason I decided on this neighborhood this time, and I'll be honest, was because it was a little bit cheaper this time of year. So I find it fascinating. Hopefully you will as well. So join me on this journey. Let's go. These are the old foundations of the Temple of Claudius. Massive. Most people overlook them. Trees growing out of the top of it here. But this makes up a huge chunk of the Caelian Hill. All right, folks, that concludes our small little tour of Celio. No videos, no YouTube clips can ever do a neighborhood justice, but hopefully you got a little sense of the area here and maybe I sparked some interest. I'm about to take off to Florence tomorrow, but if you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to put them in the comments section, or you can always reach out to me via historyconcierge@gmail.com. Once again, folks, there's going to be a lot of videos this summer, and I appreciate you watching. Hopefully I sparked a little bit of your interest in Celio. Take care, folks. Ciao.